I just wired $56,000 to the government because I am still learning how to be self-employed. So here's everything I've learned about taxes to avoid that happening again next year. And obviously, I am not a financial professional. This is not financial advice. Onwards. Did you know that your corporate employer has been paying up to half of your taxes? And when you go self-employed, you get to pay all of it. You pay federal income tax, you pay a 15% payroll tax, and if you live in California like I do, you pay a 15.3% state income tax. That is until you incorporate as an S Corp. Doesn't make sense for everybody, but you basically pay yourself payroll. Like literally, I send myself a paycheck every single month. And I only pay payroll tax on that amount, not any additional distributions I take. But file early. I used an online fax service because apparently it's still $19.95 and I did not confirm that it actually went through. It did not, and I did not start paying myself payroll until September, which means I missed a major deduction. As an S Corp, you can deduct 20% of your business income, but that amount is capped at 50% of what you paid yourself in payroll. Speaking of taxes, it's your job now to set aside money to actually pay them. If you're still figuring this out, just set aside 35% of whatever money you receive. And also, you now have to make estimated tax payments to the government every quarter. The safe harbor rule says that as long as you pay 110% of last year's liability, you won't get penalized, like I did. And if you're going self-employed, get ready to get obsessed with deductions. Retirement contributions are one of the most powerful ways to not pay taxes. A traditional solo 401k lets you contribute up to $70,000 off of your taxable income every year, unlike a Roth where you pay tax when you contribute. And lastly, every qualified dollar that you spend on your business is a dollar that the IRS does not get to touch. So if your taxes are 35% and you spend $1,000 on your business, that is $350 you save on taxes. I think of it like a discount. And in honor of officially crossing the 7-figure mark in my business, I'm thinking I might share a little bit more about all of the shit that I have figured out along the way. So let me know what you want to learn.